kids! Let's learn some colors. An alphabet A to L. Orange color, light pink color, sky blue color, brown color, dark green color, dark pink color, black color, purple color, green color, yellow color, dark blue color, red color. Dark pink color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Pink color. Sky blue color. B for boat. B for boat. Orange color. C for cake. C for cake. Brown color. D for drum. D for drum. Light pink color. E for eagle. E for eagle. Dark green color. F for flower. F for flower. Black color. G for giraffe. H for house. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice. I for ice. Purple color. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. L for lemon. A for aeroplane. B for boat. C for cake. D for drum. E for eagle. F for flower. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Thanks for watching. If you like my video,